All right, back with another goose hunting video. Should be a somewhat decent hunt. Finally got a little bit of cooler weather. It's 21 degrees. It's gonna warm back up today, but hopefully we can still get some hungry birds on the back end of this cold front. We're gonna be running it pretty big today. It's just me and Billy, so probably like 35 to 50 dozen, just depending on how much we want to put out. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video, and we'll catch you in the pit.
Oh, dude, he did it up.
I got dirt all over me. Oh, dude, that you see him turn?
Did you see him turn?
And then he was whiffling in the hole.
Nice. Shoot him, boy. Nice, Tristan. Oh, dude, he did it up. Holy crap.
I got dirt all over me. Get that one. All right, guys, finished up with 5. What you gotta say?
Great hunt. Maybe a bit more weather. Yeah.
Yep, but we managed. Billy, what do you guys say? Scream at the audience.
I mean, I don't got much to say besides, what the heck?
You don't see it on camera, but we had about four big honks on the deck. We were all out here picking up and called them in with our mouths. So we had some dumb ones at the end that we could have shot into, but for what the weather's doing right now, 40 degrees.
Can't predict that.
Yeah, 40 degrees, barely any wind. Now we finally are getting some wind, so but we managed, and it was a fun hunt. So
Yeah, it was a good morning.
on to the next one.
Got checked by CPW.
Yeah, so always have your license on you. But hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.